Today and tomorrow I can visit only a few places, but I promise to come back again and visit more. I'm very happy the Lieutenant Governor is here, the Member of Parliament is here, other elected representatives are here. Today, tomorrow, and for some time thereafter, I will meet many more of you, and I will have an opportunity to talk to you, to understand your problems, and try to find answers to your problems. But today is not a day for problems. Today is a day of celebration. What we celebrate is a major initiative of the Government of India. The issue of resident identity cards is being inaugurated in this small village in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Must make us truly proud, and I thank all of you. I thank all of you warmly for joining us on this very, very happy occasion. இவ்வளவு பேர் இந்த மகிழ்ச்சியான நாளில் எங்களோடு கலந்து கொண்டிருந்தால் எல்லாருக்கும் என்னுடைய உளம் கனிந்த நன்றியை நான் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். धन्यवाद.